Diolch, Llywydd. I thought it fitting that in the week when Wales hosted the British-Irish Parliamentary Assembly, that this National Assembly take a moment to recognise the bond between Wales and Ireland and the significant contribution made to Welsh life by Irish people. The flow of people between Wales and Ireland spans millennia and, of course, led to a Welshman becoming their patron saint. Of course, not all visits over the years from across the Irish Sea were of a friendly nature, and not all were universally welcomed here. Indeed, notable Welsh figures such as Iolo Morgannwg lamented the arrival of Irish people to the shores of Pembrokeshire and Anglesey following the rebellion of 1798. The most notable migration of Irish people to Wales, of course, occurred in the context of the horrors of the Great Famine and Gortamor, where the hungry came for food and for life itself. A memorial stands in Cathay Cemetery today, recognising those who fled that famine and as a mark of remembrance to the hundreds of thousands who perished. The Irish community have enriched Welsh life, providing us with sportspeople, artists, workers, friends, and even a health minister. 2016 marks the centenary of the Irish Proclamation of Independence, a period and an event in which Wales featured. Irish prisoners of war were held at Rongoch Camp, and it is said that 2 Welsh soldiers facilitated the escape of Irish rebels Ernie O'Malley, Frank Teeling and Simon Donnelly from Kilmainham Jail in 1920. As their centenary year comes to its end, it is fitting, Llywydd, that we recognise the contribution of Irish people to our nation and commit ourselves to strengthen the bonds between our 2 countries in the years to come. Diolch.